Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. So I got a call from Edward. He says he has a little mini series, project series with a new car. I have no idea what this car is yet. It's not one of mine. That's all I know. So we're doing something a little bit different this time. We're not doing Mercedes AMG GTS content. I know it's a supercar. I have nothing else about it. But it's gonna be a series of videos. He said, meet him over at his work. And so I am going all the way across town to pick up some parts. Now, he just says, bring my truck. So apparently we're picking up a boatload of parts to put on this supercar. But I have no idea what it is. So for those that are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. Help us grow this channel, get to new audiences. We're on our way over to see Edward, pick up the part, and hopefully figure out what we're gonna be modifying. Edward, I'm here.
How's traffic, man?
It's loud.
Yeah, it's good.
What's going on, man?
It's a shop.
It's a shop?
Yeah, we do stuff here.
So we're doing a secret Italian supercar.
That's secret.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about it?
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Secret. Oh, did I give too much detail?
Yeah, you gotta
So what's in the boxes? Stuff? All right, well, let's get it loaded up.
Why don't you back up? There you go.
That's a lot of parts, dude. I'm getting really...
Oh, camera fail.
I'm sorry, you guys all fell. Are you okay?
Craig cannot hold his camera.
And we are back at the Midlife Carisis garage. All right, Edward, so tell me what you know about this surprise. Who's the knucklehead that's letting us touch this?
His name's Joey. He's a pretty good dude.
Friend of the channel, thank you, Joey. We will take very good care of it. What do we got? What is this? I mean, I know, but I want to make people think that you know.
It's 2016 Lamborghini Huracan.
It's an LP
all-wheel drive.
The 610-4.
To the 610. It has seen 200 miles an hour. You can see that because when you hit the washer ejected off. So I'll be painting that soon. You know,
but it's stock right now.
Bull in there. What do you expect?
It's stock, right?
It's a China shop. Yeah. Yeah, everything's stock right now, but we're gonna make everything a little bit better.
A little better?
A little bit better.
So tonight,
we're gonna put a wing on it.
We're gonna put a wing on it.
Wang.
We're gonna put a big wang.
Wang.
If you want to know the how-to on to install a aftermarket, and this is from, I forget. I'll look at it when we unbox it, but an aftermarket.
Hey,
what?
It's YouTube, you can say, and it's from these people.
Oh yeah, I just point down there.
Just point.
There is a link in the description below, or is those gang signs that Edward's throwing up. Get our trusty part stands out. Boop, boop, and do a little bit of unboxing. What do we got? Oh, we got the cardboard box inside of the box.
Cardboard box inside
of the box. Very nice. There we go. Well, that's not very wide.
You thought it was going to be huge.
I thought it was going to be wide and huge.
I always call it massive. Sometimes they say huge.
There is your forged carbon. Now, I can hear you people in the comments right now. Some people love forged carbon.
Oh, it's definitely a love-hate.
It is a love-hate relationship.
It is a love-hate relationship.
So, tell me down in the comments, are you a forged carbon person or are you a gloss or dry carbon? Let me show you something.
What's that?
Come here.
Okay, let's see.
All right. For those that, we're still working on the shop, but I want, Edward, forged carbon fiber.
Forged carbon fiber. That's actually, yes, forged wood.
Yes, forged.
This is the early versions.
The precursor to forged carbon fiber.
Yes, when an Amish person wanted to flex on another Amish person, the pressed wood was used on their whips or buggies.
On their whips?
Yeah, and they would use the forged wood. Matter of fact, one day, if we get, how many likes do we need? And we will make a spoiler out of this.
We need about 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes? If
you
we do 1,000 likes, if we can get 1,000 likes, then I will make a spoiler out of pressed wood, and it will look good.
And we will put it on the C8.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Dude, let's do it.
All right, 1,000 likes and we will make a wing out of OSB. All right, let's get a close-up look of this forged carbon fiber wing. All right, so on the back side, what we got on underneath?
Screws.
Left,
And?
right.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Good for us. Let's go take a look at the risers.
Let's move this over here out of the way.
Okay.
Never mind.
No, dang.
Ooh, you sexy thing. So if you look at these, you can use a coin, right? I have emptied my pockets out of coins.
All right.
Okay?
Yep.
And then all you need to do, and then I'll show you, it's so simple. You can do it with a sharp edge. Just do like this. Boom.
Okay, you just turn off. And so this
Yeah.
is taking out all of the,
Clips.
basically the liner. All right, so why are you taking all this off?
All of this stuff has to come out in order to get this out.
Oh, I see.
These are the problems.
Gotcha. But in order to get to this portion, we've got to take all the engine covers off.
That's right.
All right.
Okay, so let's put this over here.
Do that.
On your beautiful, one-of-a-kind
Cabinets.
cabinets.
Well, now I see why you went with forged carbon. Everything's forged carbon on this thing.
Yeah.
What do you mean they're weak? You don't need the screwdriver now?
Nope.
They just pop out?
Yes. You can go like this.
Oh, they just snap right out.
Like that. There you go.
All right.
Like that. There you go.
All right, I'll hold that.
You know what? It'd be best if we tape these.
Tape those up. You want to get some tape?
Yes.
All right.
Come on this side of me. Get
All
on
right.
over here. Let's
All right.
left side. I'm going to show you something.
What are you going to show?
Okay. You see this normally rests in this position.
Yeah.
And you can have your hinge this close to itself, okay?
Okay.
So if you get a clamp and you squish it like that,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
It's going to want to hold itself up if you grab it from both sides.
Okay, so I need to go to the other side and do it.
You need to go to the other side and do that clamp. Seems pretty trustworthy from my house.
Wow, very nice. Tighten it a little bit more. Just one more
Just
squeeze.
one more squeeze?
Squeeze. Hey, it's like we know what we're doing.
You would think.
Very nice.
Nah, yours looks like it's going to slip off.
See, of course, I had like total, utter, like, you know, enthusiasm. Because I think I went to more angled locations. You're going to a flatter location.
There we go.
All
That's
right.
much better. Now, the whole reason why we took these off
Yeah.
is so that we could get this entire... Uh-oh, I forgot one.
You forgot one of the little...
Okay, do you have a coin? Excellent.
I got you the quarter.
Okay, we got a quarter here.
All right.
So let's move in this way. Put the quarter in
Yep.
and spin it.
So we are fixing a car with a Lamborghini with 25 cents.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Bingo!
Boom.
Okay, then this one. The best part about doing this
What's that?
is when you drop the quarter
Drop the quarter in the
into the engine bay.
the V10.
Yes. With finesse. Now, careful now.
All right.
Okay. I still need the quarter.
Nothing's changed.
Nothing's changed.
All right, that's the stupidest joke
He's
ever.
so funny. I'll ask you how many drinks you've had and suggest you might want to have more.
I'm having a Celsius to improve my personality. I got your Torx,
Ding, 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 ding. Oh.
but I don't know if it's the right size. Dang, I did something right.
You did a wonderful job, Craig.
So there's a Torx there that takes out the entire back grill.
Yes.
All right, so we got some more Torx.
I think I have it.
You think you have it?
I think I have it.
So underbelly here, there's just a couple Torx. There's 4 of them. And then we got 4 up top. So you got a total of 8 Torx.
Yes.
I think it's amazing how well I count.
Yes. It's almost like you were born on Sesame Street.
For kids like you and me, baby, we were born sad.
Okay.
All right, you ready to pull it?
Almost. I
Almost?
want to teach.
You're gonna teach?
I want to teach.
What are we teaching?
Okay. When these come up, what you're going to notice is these body lines.
Yeah.
You see those big, I would say they're about what, an 18, maybe 17 millimeter head. As you adjust those up and down,
Yeah.
that's how you control
The gap.
how these body lines fit. So if you want 2 body lines on a Lamborghini or an R8, I hate to say it and people hate me for saying it, they're the same car.
Nobody hates you. Everybody knows that. It's not
Everybody
like
knows.
it's not a
Okay, well,
secret.
some people just do not want to stomach it.
It's all Volkswagen. Don't
As
worry.
you bring that 17 up, what it'll do is it'll bring the body up, and then you'll have a good, nice, smooth body.
Because basically it's
translation.
just panels.
It's panels, that's all. Now that we've got this part out,
You're going to have the
come
light
over
there
here
that you're
and
going to need to detach.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and you have, it's right there. You have 2. You have
Yep,
3.
yep. So
3.
this is the plan. This is what I've always done. I go underneath. I lay it on this part that cannot get scratched. And then, for instance,
You want to hold it?
No.
One
That
clip?
one comes out.
Okay, that's the light.
And
What
then
is
we've
that?
got another one.
Oh, is that like the latch for the...
Yes.
Those are the 2 latches for the trunk.
Mm.
Or the engine
This is
cover.
an antenna here.
That's an antenna?
I believe it's antenna. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's an antenna puck up there.
FM, AM.
Sirius.
Oh, the satellite radio.
Satellite radio. Okay, one out.
See.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I unplugged it.
So you're getting the risers on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the risers on, and then we're gonna kind of mark our spot.
Are we going to use blue paint again?
We don't need to use blue paint.
That was only for my car.
Yeah, blue
Okay.
paint is AMG specific.
So these are just, you know, everything's pre-drilled. It's just Allen's into the bottom of it. But obviously we do need to place it and drill through that back panel.
That's right.
So we're gonna get the risers on and figure out where our placement is and get everything marked before we get to drill through it.
There you go.
Okay, so you've been doing some off-camera taping. What is the purpose of all the taping?
I like yellow.
I know you like yellow.
I like yellow. What we've done is, we don't want to scratch the hell out of this, so we've put a few. Now, we're also going to trace. Remember that, kids?
Tracing with your blue Sharpie?
Tracing
Okay.
with my blue Sharpie.
Gotcha.
Put that blue Sharpie right here. And what we're going to do is,
Gonna trace where the uprights need to be.
it looks like we're going to have to do slight adjustment mods, possibly loosening a few spots here and there, because carbon is never going to come out of the mold perfect. So what you're seeing right now is little teeter-totter.
Goes up.
A little rocket back and forth.
So we might have to use some spacers here and there to get that to work. Do we have a caliper that
We
can
do have a
measure?
caliper.
Yeah, I want to measure from here to here, this corner to this corner,
Yep.
this corner to this corner, and then also from the edge to the edge. So
Alright.
these lines back here.
All right, so Edward is using the caliper to make measurement.
Shows that we're over just a little bit. Now remember, these perches are not exactly where they want to be. So we're going to probably want to loosen them up, get them to where they're somewhat free, and then do our measurements again. Bro, we're on the money. I don't even want to sneeze, man. Now,
But how do you know where the holes are? Oh, you're gonna use the caliper again to measure?
yeah, dude, we're going to school today.
Dude, what happened to like, everything you've done on my car so far has been approximate about. I'm complaining to your supervisor.
You never, yeah, good luck with that. Man,
Don't
I'll
touch,
do it.
don't,
I'll
don't.
do it.
We gotta hurt the Lambo.
we got to hurt the Lambo.
All right, drill it on.
It's a necessary procedure.
So you're using a step bit?
Yes.
And what step are you taking it to?
Step number 5. On to the next
You
one.
just devalued this Lambo by, I don't know,
Bro,
50 cents?
we got more boxes in the back of your truck, man.
We still haven't unloaded the boxes
Start
yet.
counting.
Now, what would you recommend for the person at home doing this to make sure no water gets through these?
Double-sided tape.
Double-sided tape, just all around the screw sides?
I mean, you think about it, you would have a gasket X amount long.
Right.
And we've already established that these things, they're
Rock
not
a little bit.
really going to be so completely centered.
Right.
So that double-sided tape will help. This is what I was talking about, man. We're right up against it. You
Yeah,
see?
yeah, nothing.
We're going to have to move
is
that
a
over.
wire
Yes. And this is how Lamborghini holds down a wire.
with Velcro?
Yes. See?
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, but what about that?
That's our hole, dude.
Oh, okay.
Our hole's coming right through there, man.
You can barely see it.
I know. Hey, guys.
What do you need me to hold?
I'm going to need you to hold this. We're going to do a retro. Oh, just get on that side.
Oh, just get on the side?
Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set it down the same way we did last time. Line up your hole, kind of like look through there. And what we're doing is I'm going to put a bolt in this hole and start to thread it in. Then I'm going to go over there on your side and pray.
Pray that it's in the
Just
right.
pray
it's in the right
that
spot.
it is the right spot, because we've got a lot of funny things going on here. Now, keep in mind, guys, we did leave everything loose from the spoiler to the brackets. So that's helping us out right now. That's helping us to kind of wiggle. That's that wiggle room we need. If you cannot get it to go in and you find that the bolt starts to move
Or drift a little bit.
then you're gonna wanna make that hole in your Lamborghini piece, in your piece, larger, so that way you can move it around some. Don't try and drag the hole. Go ahead and make it a little bit larger. You've got about a quarter on both sides, so you can really go like almost a half an inch bigger. I wouldn't, but you could.
You still want to keep it as tight as possible so you don't have any
gaps.
extra gap for water to get through or anything like that.
If you bring him,
Well, you can't see crap there.
You sure can.
There you go.
Here we go. We're gonna drop this bolt in.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift it all the way up as high as we can go. Okay. And then come down here and look. See what we need to do?
Yep.
We need to drill that hole bigger.
Okay.
And bring it this way. And if we compensate and drill this hole bigger, then we'll be able to get them both
A little bit more
inwards.
room to move around.
Yes, and the double-sided tape is going to take care of our gasket.
What are we doing now?
We're going into the third
You're going
step.
to take it another step.
I'm taking it another step. And that's it.
Okay. So we're ready to try the nuts and bolts again?
Yes.
All right.
Time for nuts and bolts.
All right. I could have done that.
You didn't, though.
But I could have.
But you didn't.
Potential.
Potentially, you did not.
Are we? This is just test.
Test fitment. Moving the wires out of the way, we're going to set the wing on. Now, the reason that we're doing this
Is the angle of the wing?
yes, not just the angle, but we're also making sure. I'm going to put 2 bolts back here because it wants to rest on the brake lights, and that's not good because now we have added weight. So we're going to get this right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to measure the tip of the wing and kind of eyeball it, make sure that our spoiler is not this way or this way.
Too far forward, too far back?
Too far forward, too far back on the corners. All right, here, man. Here's keys. You want
All
to
right.
step on the brake?
Oh, yeah, I'll step on the brake.
Hit the start button. It works.
I just had to do that. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I just had to.
Can't see it from my house.
It's been a while since I've been in Huracan. We have got the risers still loose here. We got our double-sided tape. Now we did put the double-sided tape on the other side of the risers as the gasket that we talked about. Now, one thing that we recommend is where the holes are, go ahead and cut that back just a little bit so the threads of the Allen bolts do not get caught in the 3 double-sided tape. Got the flags taped back. We're ready to get it placed on, and hopefully our measurements are still good, and then we can tighten her down. All right, to give it a little bit more rigidity, we're using these large washers on the inside just to give it a little bit more strength when it's attached to the back of the car. All right, we got the inside all tightened up. Now we're gonna get the top all screwed in tight, and we can't use the drill because it's too tight, so we're going to the little baby ratchet.
Baby ratchet.
You ready to put the wing on? Let's wing.
We're gonna wing it today.
Yep, we're gonna wing it. Okay, so we gotta plug things in first though.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, the first thing is gonna be our lamp. Come on, bring it down.
Okay.
Don't be scared.
You told me to be careful, but don't be scared.
But don't be scared.
Now we got to get all of the bolts back in and start playing with the gap fitment. That's not very good right now, but we will get it there.
We'll figure it out, man.
You got the whole back on?
The back is on.
The back is on.
The back. Now it's time to put some side pieces in there, Craig. I am gonna need your help
You're
holding
gonna-
up that lift gate.
He's gonna need my help. All right, we're gonna put all that back together, and then we'll give you a little bit of a montage of the forged carbon wing on the 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. Put the struts back on. My arms are getting tired, man.
Yay.
Good for my what?
For your-
My back?
Deltoids.
All right. Tell us what you think down in the comments below. Did Edward, with a little bit of my help, do a good job on putting the forged carbon aftermarket wing on the Lamborghini Huracan? I'll give you a little sneak peek. Looks good, Edward.
Thank you, sir.
We want to thank everybody for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on putting the forged carbon wing on the Lamborghini Huracan. Great job, Edward, as always.
Thanks, sir.
If you like this video, this will be the first in the series of modifications to the Lamborghini Huracan, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, we'll see you later.
Peace.